For more than 5 years, Fit Like a Fighter Club has been hosting its amateur mixed martial arts fight night in Portmore, and it has attracted the attention of the CEO of the International Mixed Martial Arts Federation, IMMAF, who is on a push for representation at the highest level. Here's Denise Walters.
Olympian Ensign White, who represented Great Britain in the sport of judo, is on a mission for the International Mixed Martial Arts Federation to become a member of the International Olympic Committee.
Well, we are trying to get recognized within the Olympic family. So that's our mission. We've been on that journey for 10 years now, trying to develop the sport, getting it ready to be recognized. And we think we're in a good position now to be recognized within the Olympic family.
The 1990 Commonwealth Games gold medalist says the sport is currently governed at an amateur level with over 130 members across 5 continents.
Every federation belongs to IMMAF that wants to take part in our World Championships or our Continental Championships. We also provide coach education and referee certification.
White, who is in Jamaica for the 8th staging of the Colosseum Fight Night, says while the sport has been around for a while, it's a very young federation that was started in 2012.
In a short period of time, we've developed the sport quite a lot from the grassroots level. MMA is one of those sports that was started from the top end. Nobody was doing the work from grassroots level, so that's the work we have been doing. Educating coaches, training officials, putting on continental competitions and world championship competitions, not on the senior level, but for children as well.
In the meantime, he's calling on the various federations to ensure they meet their different national criteria.
The federation needs to prove that they have their own governance in place, democratic organization, that they have general assemblies, they have good financial management of money, and that they, critically as well, that they have the control of the sport within their region. They have the critical mass of gyms or clubs within their federation and individuals.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.